Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how I achieve these super defined moisturized curls by doing a twist out using products by the Doux. So I'm just going to jump right into this video. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I have my hair section off and I'm going to begin with a small section. I will first apply the mousse to the section. Continue smoothing the product throughout all of your strands from the roots all the way to the ends. And then I began applying my big Poppa gel from the roots through the ends, making sure to cover all of my strands. And once I am finished smoothing my hair, I will take my detangling comb and just detangle my ends. And be sure to detangle your hair as necessary, because to have the best twist out, your hair needs to be smooth and detangled. And right here, I am beginning my 2-strand twist. Make sure you section your 2-strand twist evenly so you don't have to borrow hair. And then once you get to the bottom of the twist, twirl it around so it don't unravel, and also so you'll have a slight curl at the end of your twist once you take them down. And I am going to repeat all of those steps for the rest of my hair, and then I will be back. Now that I have finished twisting all of my hair, I'm just going to let it dry overnight. And it is the next day. I applied my oil, and every product that I use today will be listed in the description box below. And right here I am starting the takedown. So I am unraveling my twist carefully. And I'm just going to continue taking down all of my twists, but I will not be doing a whole lot of separating because for this style, I am trying to keep a lot of definition. So I'm just going to do enough separating to hide the parts, and then I'm going to lift my roots with a pick and hide my parts a little more with my pick. And just going to play around with my hair until I get the desired look that I'm going for. And once I am finished fluffing and picking and separating, the style will be complete. I hope my video was helpful, and if you liked it, could you please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and join me on the rest of my videos. And to be notified about the rest of my videos, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day.